Hello students, in this video we will solve the exercise 5.1 of the class 12th maths NCERT. Now we will take here first question of the exercise 5.1. Our problem is prove that the function f of x equal to 5x minus 3 at x equal to 0, at x equal to minus 3 and x equal to 5 is continuous. Now we are going to solve this question. As you know that since any function f of x is continuous if limit x tends to a, f of x equal to f of a. Since f of x is continuous if limit x tends to a, f of x equal to f of a. Since function f of x equal to 5x minus 3 and first we take at x equal to 0. Now we will check at x equal to 0 this function is continuous or not. So first we take limit x tends to 0 f of x equal to limit x tends to 0 value of f of x is 5x minus 3. जैसे कि आपने देखा कि यहाँ पे हमने फंक्शन f of x की वैल्यू f of x minus 3 पुटअप किया है और अब लिमिट की वैल्यू हम इसमें ट्रांसफर करने जा रहे हैं. देन दिस विल बी 5 into 0 minus 3, then this will be minus 3. Now we will take right side, that means we will find what is the value of f of a where a equal to 0, that means x equal to 0. Therefore f of 0 equal to, since if we put the value of x equal to 0 on the place of x, then we can find value of 0. Then this will be f of 0 equal to 5 into 0 minus 3 equal to minus 3. Since as you see here, limit x tends to 0 f of x equal to f of 0 and both value of these both terms is minus 3. That means limit x tends to 0 f of x equal to f of 0. Therefore function f of x equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous function at x equal to 0. We will solve here first part of this question. At x equal to 0 this function is continuous. Now we will take next condition at x equal to minus 3. At x equal to minus 3. Now at x equal to minus 3, since limit x tends to minus 3 f of x equal to limit x tends to minus 3, value of f of x is given here 5x minus 3. Then this will be equal to 5 into minus 3, this will be minus 15 minus 3 equal to minus 18. And if you want to find the value of direct. F of minus 3 is equal to 5 into minus 3 minus 3. This will be also minus 18. Therefore, limit x tends to minus 3, f of x equal to f of minus 3, and this will be equal to minus 18. Thus, we can say that function f of x equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous function at x equal to minus 3. Now we will take third point at x equal to 5. At x equal to 5. We will check at x equal to 5 this function is continuous or not. So limit x tends to 5, f of x equal to limit x tends to 5, 5x minus 3. This will be 5 into 5 minus 3 equal to 22, and f of 5 equal to 5 into 5 minus 3, this will be also 22. Therefore, limit x tends to 5, f of x equal to f of 5, and this is equal to 22. Therefore, function f of x equal to 5x minus 3 is continuous at x equal to 5. Thus, f of x equal to f of x minus 3 is continuous at x equal to 0, at x equal to minus 3, and at x equal to 5 also, and this is our answer.